All of the content contained in this webcast is for informational purposes only. The investments and strategies contained in this webcast may not be suitable for you. Please consult your own independent financial advisor before making any investment or trading decisions. Welcome back, traders. Second portion of our show, Market Movers. We don't have a whole lot out there for you on the radar. I think many of our traders are doing their bracketology and trying to decide who's going to win the big dance. But the movers we do have out there, let's start out with Pepsi-Cola, currently trading up 45 cents in the pre-market. They announced some management changes. There's been a lot of pressure for change at the top. Perhaps a breakup into the company into separate parts is really what's been the banner. You got major resistance coming in at 63.75. That stock did bump against it in the pre-market. If in fact it can't get to that 63.75 area, you're running into more resistance at 64.19. I don't think you're going to see a real big rally in this stock until either they announce that they're splitting up into a couple different parts, or there is indeed some change at the top. Moving on to our next market mover, JetBlue, not really moving a whole heck of a lot. This stock is in negotiations to buy a stake in an Irish Airlines, bumping up against some major resistance here at the 508 and 509 area. So I can't really get too excited about that stock until it takes that level out. And major support is coming in at 476, which has been the low of the move since this stock traded over $6 in February. General Mills, which has been on a slide, coming down off the $41 level, is now a subject of a downgrade from Goldman Sachs. There is going to be some support coming into this stock at the $38 level. Currently trading at $38.23, so look for a bounce off the $38 initially. Major resistance is forming at the double top here at $38.68. So General Mills not participating in the rally as of late. Moving on to our next market movers, really no specific news with gold. It's just had some gains off the lows that it made on Tuesday last week. It struggled back and now is giving back a good portion of those gains here in the pre-market. Minor support at 164, but you don't see a whole lot of major support in this thing till 163 and a quarter. Silver as well, giving back some of its gains from Friday. The difference between these two is this is only trading 50 cents or 45 cents away from Friday's low. Thursday's and Friday's low, 32.29 to 32.41. So see how SLV acts in that area. Finally, our last market mover, Zoll Medical, is getting taken out today at $93. Currently trading at $93.06. That's going to be acquired by a Japanese firm. Obviously keep an eye on the $93 level. Just doing some research, I found that this stock, Photomedics, is also in the same sector, not exactly the same stock, but that coincidentally had a nice pop on Friday up to the $13 level. Major resistance, and this is at 14. So sometimes when one stock in a sector goes, it adds value to other stocks in this sector as well. S&Ps were just flirting with the Globex low there at 1360.75, now trading mid-range. Look for a test of that area in the morning. If that can hold, we're poised to test Friday's Globex high at 1368.75, and of course the high of the move at 1371 and a quarter. That's our show for today, folks, and be back with you tomorrow.